Today I'm going to show you how to make some wood-fired wings in my Ooni Fyra 12. This is a pretty easy recipe and has become one of my favorites to make in my Ooni. I used a recipe from Ooni's website with a couple of very small tweaks. The ingredient amounts I'm going to run through will yield about 1 pound of wings. The first step is to create your sauce. Combine all sauce ingredients in your pan. 4 ounces of hot sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons honey, half a stick of melted butter, and 2 large cloves of garlic minced. When I'm making a sauce that has melted butter in it, combined with ingredients that I keep in my fridge, I like to make the sauce in a pan over low heat. This prevents the melted butter from coagulating when it hits the cold ingredients and creates a better sauce. Then allow the sauce to cool. Toss the uncooked wings in about 3/4 of the sauce you just created and put it in the fridge to marinate. I'd recommend marinating for at least 2 to 3 hours. Get your Ooni oven going and aim to get the center of the cooking surface to about 700 degrees. Try to not get above 800 degrees. Once the Ooni reaches temp, put in your cast iron pan. I use a 10-inch pan and it fits pretty well into the Fyra 12. On my Ooni Fyra, I reduce the airflow through the chimney a little to keep the temperature down. You'll have to play with this on your own Ooni to dial in the temperature. The time required to cook wings in your own oven may vary based on your oven temperature. Once the pan is hot, remove it from the oven and apply enough cooking oil to coat the surface. Use an oil with a high smoke point. I used canola oil. Once the pan is oiled, add your wings and then insert it back into the oven. Let the wings cook in the Ooni for about 5 minutes. Keep an eye on the oven temp. If you have your Ooni going as hot as possible at this point, you're going to end up with wings that are too charred. After 5 minutes, take out the wings and use tongs or something similar to rotate the wings so that the ones on the far side of the heat source are now closer, and vice versa for the wings that were once close to the heat source. Return the wings to the oven for another 5 minutes. Then remove and toss in your remaining sauce and rotate the wings again. This time rotate not just their position in the pan, but also rotate which side of the wing is facing up. Put the wings back in the oven for 5 minutes, then remove and rotate the wings one final time. Place the wings back in the oven for the last 5 minutes of cooking. Finally, remove the wings from the oven, get a temperature reading to ensure they're cooked, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching my video. Please help me out by liking and subscribing.